Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll break down the P0171 diagnostic trouble code, what it means, and how to address it. The P0171 code stands for System 2 Lean, Bank 1. This indicates that the engine is running lean, meaning there's too much air compared to the amount of fuel being delivered. The ideal air-fuel ratio should be 14. 7 parts air to 1 part fuel. When this balance is off, your car may experience performance issues. If it's just P0171, let's dive into the possible causes and solutions. Number 1. Vacuum leak. A vacuum leak occurs when unmetered air enters the engine without being measured by the mass airflow, MAF, or manifold absolute pressure, MAP, sensors. Things to check: mass airflow sensor, MAF. Inspect for any torn or cracked components downstream of the sensor. Loose connections can also cause unmetered air to enter. Intake manifold. Check for a torn intake manifold gasket or cracks in the manifold itself. Vacuum hoses. Look for damaged or disconnected hoses. Number 2. Faulty mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures incoming air and helps the engine control module, ECM, calculate the right fuel amount for proper combustion. If it's malfunctioning, it can send incorrect air readings before replacing the sensor. Clean it using a MAF sensor cleaner. This may resolve the issue. If cleaning doesn't work, the sensor might need replacement. Number 3. Fuel issues. Problems in the fuel system can also cause a lean condition. If there's less fuel than needed, the air-fuel ratio becomes unbalanced. Components to inspect: fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel injectors, fuel rail pressure sensor, fuel lines. Number 4. Exhaust leak. An exhaust leak before the upstream oxygen sensor can let outside air into the system, causing the sensor to detect a false lean condition. Common areas for leaks: cracks in the exhaust manifold, damaged exhaust manifold gaskets. Number 5. Faulty oxygen sensor. A malfunctioning upstream oxygen sensor can provide inaccurate readings, tricking the ECM into thinking there's too much oxygen in the system. This leads to incorrect adjustments to the air-fuel ratio. Number 6. Engine control module issues. Although rare, a faulty ECM can also trigger the P0171 code. This should only be considered after ruling out all other causes. Diagnosing the P0171 code can be a challenge, but starting with the most common causes, like vacuum leaks and a dirty MAF sensor, can often lead to a quick solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.